So hi guys, I'm back here with a Didgeridoo tutorial about the sound feedback with my very small amplification, which I will discuss to you about. So hi, I'm back for a Didgeridoo tutorial, and this time it's about the sound feedback, sound return or monitor. It's a very important issue as for all Didgeridoo players. Unlike small instruments, the Didgeridoo sound goes away from us, and we hear maybe 70% of what we play, and when we're in loud places, sound can even go down to maybe 10% of what we do. So we really have to fix that. We play with other people and we don't hear ourselves. It's totally killing what we do, or else the pleasure of playing goes away. There's two ways you can fix the sound feedback problems. So the simple question is if you have a microphone, but if you don't, there is another solution which I will tell you later. The main way is with a microphone. Of course, it's like when playing on stage in front of an audience. You put the microphone at the end of the didgeridoo in front of the bell, and the sound is caught. It goes in a mixer, and then it comes down to an amplification, sound return or a monitor. This small amplification I'm using is the TriStar. It's the TriStar Fly 3, if I remember well. It's got batteries, so it's transportable. That's amazing. Now, if you don't have an amplification, you could also use another thing, which is the interface. So what you do is you connect your microphone to the interface, and from the interface you use headphones and just put it on your head so you can hear yourself. I will show you a short exercise using diaphragm accents compared to mouth accents. So many times when I did live performances, when I didn't hear myself well, I would be very demotivated, and I would feel that I'm not playing well enough, while people in front would usually say, wow, that was amazing. So that's one problem we have that we really have to sort out in order to keep the passion running, keep the will to play within our veins, the desire to play. If you don't have a microphone, there is another way you can get a sound feedback, but it's mainly for home. If you play for people, and you wouldn't really be using this system, but it's a bucket. So there is a musician called Buckethead. Certainly he doesn't play the didgeridoo, he plays the guitar. But a bucket is actually very useful. What we do is that we put the bucket at the end of the bell, we fit the bell slightly inside, and as you play, you will hear the sound coming back to you. But it's an idea you should keep in mind. So that's it for my video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up or comment, and let me know what you think of your experience and what you're using as a sound return. Thank you. Bye bye.